Hey guys, welcome back to a new vlog, and this is the first vlog of the USA series where we had a layover in Zurich and we explored Zurich with a Schengen visa. So, here's what we did. Hey guys, we've reached the Zurich airport. We are currently at the Zurich airport and
Hi,
finally in Switzerland.
finally in Switzerland.
Woohoo.
So explain a little bit. We are doing a layover here
7 hours.
of 7 hours, and so we are planning to get out. We got our tourist visa, not a transit
Schengen
visa,
visa.
Schengen tourist visa. Hence, we are able to get out. And yeah, you have to take a small navette, it's called a small little train to come to baggage claim area. And one thing which I didn't like about the landing airport is that there are no toilets, just one toilet.
Like
It's painful.
one toilet females, one toilet wheelchair, and one toilet males.
Yeah. So now we are heading to the train station,
Explore the town.
and we are going to pass some time, have our breakfast
By
at the
the lake.
Zurich
Lake?
river, lake, whatever. I don't know. I have to see. But whatever spot we find,
Best
and
spots.
yeah, we'll keep you updated on this.
I think you can speak in Hindi also.
हाँ, of course. ज्यूरिक आके हिंदी थोड़ी बोल सकते हैं. बंद कर. So we are going to do a segment on how to pass your time with 6 hours of layover. We've just got out of the airport. हम बाहर निकल चुके हैं और अब हम जा रहे हैं ट्रेन स्टेशन की तरफ. ट्रेन स्टेशन पे हम जाएंगे ज़्यूरिक HB स्टेशन पर, विच इज़ द मेन स्टेशन. वहाँ पहुँचे उसके बाद we will explore the town. So stay with us.
Okay guys, so we are at the SPB railway office and the people here are really helpful. So just in case you're planning to take a train when you're here in Zurich to travel and explore the city, so you can, for any guidance or assistance, you can come to this SPB railway office. And also there's this mini map kind of thing which you get, which is pretty important if you've not taken data roaming according to Zurich. So yeah.
So we are here just trying to fill some water. Saisha has gone that side to ask if they can fill water. Uh, People are quite helpful and nice over here. So, well, I think he has agreed. What did he say? Okay. Saisha is happy that she gets to fill the water from Starbucks. If not the coffee, at least the water. We are trying to take the tram instead of the train. The tram is more interesting. Let's see. We are in the tram and we are heading towards Bahnhofstrasse. Let's see how much time it takes. We got out of the airport in say about 1 hour it took us to get out. Because of the lack of information that we had otherwise, and of course the toilets. Oh my god, that's another story. The toilets, there weren't enough toilets. There's just one toilet at the airport where you land. It took time. There were people in queue. Now we are going to explore Switzerland via tram instead of train. So we are taking the tram to Bahnhofstrasse. The number of the tram is 10. It's arriving in 4 minutes. And this information is really helpful for those who want to try to explore Zurich in just like short layover of like 5 hours, 6 hours. We will keep you posted and we'll give you each and every information on what you can do if you have a layover at Zurich airport for 5 to 6 hours. The process is very easy. For us, it took a little time because we did not get enough information on YouTube about this, on actually how to go about the entire process, but we'll update you on this so that your layover is smooth. But come with a Schengen visa. We are still in the tram. There was a fudge up that happened. अभी हम वापस वही ट्रैम में लेकिन दूसरी सेकंड ट्रैम में बैठ गए, मतलब वही डायरेक्शन वाली लेकिन another change of tram because of a mistake. Yes. So we are finally on Bahnhofstrasse, the famous shopping street of Switzerland. It's early in the morning, so the stores are shut. But we are walking down this street in this lovely weather. And we will see for some spot where we can have our breakfast. That's the tram.
Okay guys, so we stopped at like this view wali jagah to have breakfast.
Gujarati nashta in Bahnhofstrasse. Masala chai and khakra.
Okay, chalo. Now we will see you while we are exploring the next stop. Stay tuned.
We've left her here and now we are heading towards this street to explore Lindendorf. Let's see if we get
left the senior citizens behind. I mean,
Citizens?
Citizen
Excuse me.
behind. Okay guys, so now we are walking through the Bahnhofstrasse. Okay, so guys, for those who don't know what Bahnhofstrasse is actually the second best street, right?
Yep.
In Europe after Champs-Élysées in Paris. It's Bahnhofstrasse in Switzerland, which is Zurich, and it's a really beautiful Switzerland coded place, and it's lined with few of the most biggest designers of the world, finest designers of the world, and brands also. So yeah, it's like a shopping street and it's heaven for people who like to shop. Guys, everything here is just so Disney coated, and it's like, this reminds me of Paris. Like when we had gone to Paris, even Paris was very similar. So
The thing is that everything about Switzerland seems perfect. The perfect greenery, perfect flags hanging, perfect streets, perfect shrubs.
okay guys, now we're gonna show you the way to Lindenhof. And yeah, Lindenhof is, we though went there, but now we are taking the senior citizen along with us because she missed out. So yes.
So this street, we will show you at the end of this street, you have to turn left and then a U-turn again. We'll show you. Here is Perosa and you take a turn on this street here, which leads to Lindenhof.
And you have to climb up.
Yeah, it's just a very short climb and you'll come to one of the best views of Zurich. To go to Lindenhof from Bahnhofstrasse, you just have to turn in, let's say take a left from Bahnhofstrasse, walking down straight from the Zurich HB. You will see the street, you will recognize the street. It's like a world famous street, I suppose. We walked down that street, we took a left at the end of it, and then we again took a left. So it's like a U-turn. Once you take that U-turn, you will see these steps and this street, which is leading up to Lindenhof. Okay, it's supposed to be one of the prettiest hill spots where you can see Zurich River Limmat. So we are finally here. It's just a short walk. and this place is beautiful with an amazing view of Zurich streets. I will just turn and I will show you. Saisha is with my selfie stick.
No, I'm not going rafting. It's a selfie stick.
But I'll show you the views, guys. So this is Lindenhof, one of the prettiest places. Like everything picture perfect in Switzerland. ये भी सबसे खूबसूरत जगह है. यहाँ ढेर सारे कबूतर हैं. मतलब हम कबूतर देखने नहीं आए ऑफ कोर्स, लेकिन ये जो नज़ारा है वो देखने आए हैं हम. बहुत ही अच्छी जगह है. यहाँ से पूरा रिवर का व्यू है. और ये है ज्यूरिक का टिपिकल. दिस इज ज्यूरिक, आई मीन दिस इज टिपिकल ज्यूरिक. Wow, you can see the beautiful snow-capped mountains from here. Let me zoom in.
Leave the mountains. Look at the river.
Look, it's so beautiful, those mountains. We are headed back from Lindenhof. We are going to the train station now, and we will catch the train.
While coming, we tried the tram. Now, while going, we are trying the train. So
We are heading back
that it's
after
earlier
a
to reach the airport.
2 hour break here.
2 hours no, actually.
Not more than 2 hours? No, not here in Lindenhof. But
Not in Linden.
right, like we got out of the airport around 7:30, and then we had our little what do you call it? Sorry, there are steps here, so we are looking down and walking. We'll vlog a little later. So basically, the route that we came, we are heading back there. We'll join Bahnhofstrasse, and we are going to Zurich HB to catch a train. Bye. This little car, can you guess what this is? This car delivers the post. Here. We are at VT station. This is Zurich HB. It's the main station hub. Where all the trains, even outstation trains, go from here, just like VT. We are taking the train to Flughafen, which is the airport, from gate 34 at Zurich HB. Zurich HB, gate 34, going back to airport.
Okay, guys, so we are in the train to go to the airport because we are a little doubtful what's the procedure going to be. So we're going to leave a little early.
कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं दिया है, मैं वापस बोलती हूँ. We are going to the airport, which is Zurich Flughafen. That is what they call it. In the train to see how long it takes. In the tram, it's a little longer, but I think train it's a little shorter.
It's only 7 minutes.
What? It's only 7 minutes, and we spent like 20 minutes, 25 minutes in the tram. So we have got off the train and we climbed up to the airport terminal. Again, we climbed another floor and we are heading to the gates now. We'll see what kind of checking is done there.
Guys, I just discovered that the flight is of 12 hours. 12. What are we gonna do on the flight? Oh my god, why is it so hard to get to US?